Brilynn, let's go.
Come on, Mama.
People trying to get in stone.
Well, the birthday girl. Hello, how are you doing?
Hello.
The birthday girl wants to build a bear today.
Whenever she just saw a bear, she's, you know, she's just overwhelmed.
This is her first.
I'm scared. Like, what are we gonna do?
This is our first time. Oh, Mama, look, you get a new.
Come on, Mama. Let's go. Come on, let's go. She's turning one, you pay $1.
For the bear.
Yes, we have this bear. We have a lighter version of it I can show you too that has blue feet.
Okay. Can I see that one?
Yes.
So you pay her.
Yeah, we gotta get the birthday song.
We're gonna say happy first birthday, Brilynn. Oh, you saying mama? Okay, well happy birthday,
There we
mama,
go.
mommy,
You
and
slide
Brilynn.
up to record.
Oh.
You hold the button down the entire time you record. You don't want to hold it really close to your mouth like this.
Oh, sound like mama.
Or I think the way is usually, sorry, I didn't mean to. Sounds much better.
Oh, so you
If you don't like it, yeah. If you don't like it, go down and play up the record. Just try one more time. You can try it as many times as you want until you have the one you like.
Record. Mama, mama, mama.
Yeah, Mama. You go,
Say something, mama. Take two. Happy first birthday, Brilynn. What was that? What was that song?
She said it wasn't
Softer.
Let's see. Let's see. What?
We're gonna take that as a laugh. Okay, we're ready.
Now what we do with the bear? Right, one kiss.
Happy first birthday, Brilynn. Mommy and Grammy love you.
Perfect.
I'm about to say that.
That's it.
You sure?
That's it.
Look, listen.
Happy first birthday, Brilynn. Mommy and Grammy love you.
There we go. Mama, look. Here, Mama, press it. Woo, look at your bear.
Put your foot on it.
You getting her?
Look how she pressing on it. She want her bear, okay? We got the sound in there.
So cool.
That is cool.
Pick out a heart.
Oh,
Got a heart, Mama, look.
3 different types.
Which one you want? Look. Pick a
heart ceremony.
Look, Mama, pick one.
You could wait. There's 3 different hearts, so she could pick one. Ooh, that's a pretty
Oh,
heart.
you pick this one. This the one you pick, Mama.
That's the heart you want.
That's the one you pick.
Let's see the heart. Let's see it.
I'm about to say, what you doing over here? Let me see, Mama. Lift the heart you picked.
Let me see the heart.
Okay, can Mommy see? You gotta put in the bear. Okay. This is the one that she picked, and we're gonna put the other one back. Oh, that's cute.
So we also have the birthday heart for her as well.
Oh, do you pick one out of those two?
You can do both if you like, it's fine.
It's extra for both?
No, they are free.
Oh, yes. We'll take both.
Okay. Do you want to just warm it up?
Ooh, you gotta warm it up, Mama.
Shake, shake, shake. Wake it up. And in honor of her birthday, we pat it 1 time to wake it up.
Woo!
We rub it on our foreheads so her very smart like her. On our heart for lots of love. And then we'll give the heart a kiss and make a wish.
Make a wish, Mama.
And then
One for her birthday and one for her
So when do you ever
choosing.
get them out, or you never get them out?
No, that's the point I'm making.
Well,
Oh, but we'll leave it in there. Just leave it in there.
Just put in her birthday heart.
I miss my great granddaughter.
Your granddaughter's birthday.
That's the great-granddaughter. You missed her birthday.
This is so it's Brilynn and Bryce.
We don't have a name for her. We're gonna call her Blessing. Okay.
Blessing.
Oh, I like that.
Blessing the bear, guys. This
No
should be the
sense.
type. She don't care about that. Look at your bear. Blessing. Look at Blessing.
You gonna hold it, Mama? Look. Push it.
Brilynn.
Here, you just want to here. Hold her. Come on, pick her outfit out.
Thank you. Thank you.
She picked out her heart.
Oh, can she get a cupcake on top? That's cute.
She don't even need no bottoms. She doesn't need a shirt in her head. Oh, that is so cute.
Birthday hat. I thought that was
I
unique.
love unicorns, Mama.
Birthday princess, but
I like the shirt better. So you can get birthday princess.
What bottoms? Oh, she can get a tutu. Is that a crown?
No, that's a crown. This is a purse.
So you want that instead of the happy birthday?
I like this better because it's gonna say birthday princess anyway.
Okay. Oh, I think you might have to pay for that separately.
Mama, look, come put it on her. You recording her?
Mm-hmm.
I'm watching your angles and it looks like you're recording straight air. Okay? Air. Please, Gloria.
It's all on her. She don't need the shoe.
Okay, you can stop or just give me dress in the bear and we're gonna stop with the footage.
Cause you. Ooh, look at the bear.
Mama, wait.
You know, I never got a building before.
I've never been doing this. So
You
this
gotta
is
make
what
a
she's gonna
bird.
look.
Yeah, this is gonna be her look. Hey, and guess what? Now we get to make the birth certificate. Focus.
My mommy and Grammy of the birthday girl are extremely coots, okay? We're on the way to eat. Look at the shirts, check us out, know the face, know the name. Grammy. We have to insert, did she just give y'all the piece? We just left. Thank you to God Mommy Glow for blessings outfit. Where did they go? Oh, they on that stuff. So we're getting ready to go eat because every birthday girl loves a great meal. We're about to go to Hibachi, eat some food, and we'll be back.